Did you know that 82% of women in India have longer than shoulder length hair, but they have to keep trimming it because it is really hard to manage long hair? But I think that stops now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Meg Plush. My name is Muskan. If you guys are new here, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my long hair. It's the monsoon, which is not at all good for people with long hair because monsoon brings a lot of frizz. But long hair in general are very difficult to take care of. There's hair damage, there's hair breakage, there's how greasy and flat my hair looks after just like 2 days of washing it. Then there is the frizz, oh my god, the frizz, and then there are split ends. So like if your hair just starts getting split ends, the damage just keeps going up and above and you just can't stop it. So I have been looking for a hair care range that is specially designed for long hair, so that I know the product is working on my hair. And that is when I came across the Matrix OptiLong hair care range, and I've been using this hair care routine for the last 3 weeks I think, and I have been really enjoying the results, so I thought I'll share my review with you guys. So this is basically by Matrix, and this is their OptiLong range, which is specially made for long hair. And first of all, can we just talk about the packaging? I'm wearing red to match with the bottle, and this is just so beautiful. Also, this design on it is giving me like such professional feels, and this is a professional hair care range, so you get professional service at home by yourself, which is really great. So this hair care routine has 3 steps. The first one is cleanse, then there is nourish, and the third one, which is my favorite, is protect. So the first step is cleanse, and for that I've been using the Matrix OptiLong Professional Nourishing Shampoo. This is a very gentle shampoo. Let me just begin by saying that these products are very gentle on my thin long hair. I have long hair but they are very thin, so I always need something that is very gentle, because harsh shampoos make my hair really dry, but this hasn't made my hair dry at all. But it has made my hair very manageable. It has taken away a lot of split ends and just makes my hair look and feel really nice and soft. Plus it is enriched with ceramides, which is going to nourish and protect your hair from further hair damage. The second step is nourish, and for that I've been using the OptiLong Professional Nourishing Conditioner, and this is a great conditioner. Again, it is enriched with ceramides, which are going to help you nourish and protect your hair. But this makes my hair so soft that it is very easy to detangle my hair. If you have long hair, you just know that detangling our hair only takes a long time, and this just helps me with that a lot. Plus my hair is thin, so a lot of conditioners make my hair look greasy and like flat. This does not do that. Both the shampoo and the conditioner make my hair look very voluminous and very nice, and I really like that. Coming to my favorite step, which is the third step, and it's called Protect. Now this is their Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream, and this is my favorite product from the range. So basically this is a leave-in cream that you apply on towel dried hair, and this is going to protect your hair from further damage. This is also going to protect your hair from split ends. It is going to prevent split ends, and it is going to protect your hair from getting more damage while working on the damage that is in your hair already. And what I like about it a lot is the texture and the consistency. It is a very light liquidy consistency. It is not a thick cream that makes my hair look really flat, but it has a really nice thin liquid consistency, which makes my hair really voluminous and flowy, and I really like that. So I'm quickly going to show you how I like to use it. After using the Professional Nourishing Shampoo and the Professional Nourishing Conditioner, I just like to towel dry my hair a little bit, and on very slightly damp hair, I just take in this cream. I take like 2-3 pumps of it, and I massage it between my palms, and I start applying it on my hair. I focus this on the mid-length of my hair, like the mid-length to the end, because that is where my hair gets very dry, and that is where I need the most protection and nourishment. And this has been working amazing for that. I really like it. This is my favorite product. Now I just want to show you the before and after of using this hair care range, and you can see that in the before picture my hair is really frizzy and not nice and not healthy looking at all, but in my after pictures my hair just looks so soft and so nourished, and I have been really liking it. If you have long hair, you need to try this range, because I have been amazed at the results. Like guys, I'm honestly telling you, I haven't gotten my hair cut in over a year now, and I had major split ends, but I've been using this range for like hardly like 3 weeks, as I said, and I can't see split ends. Like, I don't know where are the split ends. This has been really working for my hair. I did blow dry my hair a little bit because I wanted to show you it is so easy to heat style your hair after using this hair care range, because it is a professional hair care range. So I'm quickly going to tell you the prices now, because even though this is a professional hair care range, it is really affordable, and I really like that about it. So the professional nourishing shampoo retails for 535 rupees and you get 350 ml product in it. So the professional nourishing conditioner retails for 470 rupees and you get 196 grams of product in it. The professional nourishing leave-in cream, which is my favorite product from the range, retails for 445 rupees and you get 95 ml of product in it. If you have long hair, just get this range, because this is almost going to reverse the damage on your hair, and I've been enjoying this so much. I'm going to put the link to where you guys can check it out in the description box below. They always have really amazing offers online, so I would highly recommend you go check the link out for amazing offers on this hair care range. And if you have long hair, don't even think about it, just get this hair care range. You are going to thank me later. And that's it. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about in today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you super soon. Bye.